my laptop with all my ideas. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amalia and in today's video I'm giving you some DIY Christmas gift ideas. The holiday season is coming up and I know a lot of us like to make Christmas presents. All these ideas are things that I've made in videos in the past, mainly in the past year, a little bit longer for some of them. So I will have the corresponding videos linked below in the description, so if something catches your eye from this video and you want to go and have a look at the other video, the option is there, the link is in the description. Just go ahead and watch those videos after you've finished watching this one. So my first idea is to make them beaded jewellery, and this has been a massive trend over the past year and I feel like it's definitely going to carry on into the next year as well. I can definitely see loads of people wearing beaded and handmade looking jewellery. Yeah, I think this is great because it's so easy to make them, and from one set of beads you can make so many different bracelets, necklaces, you can make rings, you can make earrings, you can make like sets, and you can customize them and like think about what colours. So on a similar note, clay trinket dishes have been a massive trend this year and there's so many videos out there, so many Pinterest photos and different ideas where you can draw inspiration from. You could make them in all different shapes and sizes. I think this is another great idea because you know it's going to get used. People like to put even keys on them, rings, bracelets, just anything really. I think this is a great idea and I think it's gonna get used. Especially if you know what their room looks like, what their house looks like, what sort of thing they're into, you can customize these. Next up I have some painting based ideas. So you could paint them an original painting on canvas, or you could do a painting on some paper and frame it. I think that would be such a lovely gift, especially if you do a lot of painting anyway. I think this idea is fabulous. If you've got the time to do it, then go ahead, why not? I think people would love to receive some art. It doesn't have to be like a massive piece, probably staying small is probably better, just because it's easier to put on display and stuff. And also if you're lacking inspiration, if you don't have a specific photo you want to use as a reference, or you don't know what style, you can never go wrong by following a Bob Ross tutorial. These are great because you can paint basically any scene and they're so easy to follow, and you can scale it down, you can do whatever you like, you've got a lot of freedom. Next up, another painting idea is painting on vinyl records. This is something I recently started doing, and again I made a video on this, as with everything else that is in this video. This video is essentially me promoting other videos, but I think this is such a cool idea because it's a little bit different. You can go for as little detail or as much detail as you want, and I think these look lovely like as wall decorations in someone's room, and yeah, you really it's already aesthetically pleasing as it is, and then you just add a painting on it. I just think it looks so cool. It's a little bit different, it's a little bit unique, and I just overall think it's a great idea. And an added bonus is that these are super affordable to make. If you've already got some acrylic paint lying around, all you need to buy is vinyl records. Just go to your local charity shop and you can find them in there for as cheap as 50p, £1. It's so affordable and it looks so amazing. The end result is always incredible, and you can customize these to whatever the person you're giving it to like. The next idea is painting some clothes. I would recommend thrifting a denim jacket. I would say go for denim if you want to paint, just because it's the easiest material, or it's the only material that I've worked with painting. It's the only material that I've worked with when it comes to painting and customizing clothes, so that's why I recommend doing that. Oh yeah, I would say go for a denim jacket over jeans because even if it's too big. It's easier to get the sizing right. Even if it's like too big, it can be styled as like an oversized jacket, whereas jeans, if they don't fit, it's a bit of a waste of your time, and it's sad because they won't be able to get much wear out of them. And another reason is that a denim jacket can be worn more times than a pair of jeans before you wash it, so the design is less likely to crack and go wrong. So yeah, I would definitely recommend something like that. Again, it doesn't have to be massive, it doesn't have to be a very detailed painting that will take months to put together. If anything, sometimes a more simple design is nicer and easier to style as well. If you're into crochet, then this is incredible because you can make so many things. I made this recently, and I've never crocheted before. I got an Aldi crochet kit and I made this. So if I can make this in a week, I'm sure that you can make something too, whether you've done crochet in the past or not. You can either learn and make something. It doesn't have to be like a stuffed toy, it can be something more simple. It doesn't have to be a stuffed animal, it can be something more simple, or it can be something more complicated. This is all I've made though, so this is all I can recommend. If you're into crochet, you could make like a tote bag, you could make some bookmarks, you could make so many different things. You could make like miniature amigurumi, is that called? I'm not really sure. The small animals, and yeah, you just have infinite options, so I think that's great. And if you already like to do crochet, you might as well take advantage of it and make some stuff, or gift something that you've already made that you haven't really found a use for yet. Yeah, you can pick up like a kit from Aldi. I think that's great because it already has all the stuff you need inside it. It's all included in the box. The only thing I would say is maybe look up some YouTube tutorials on reading patterns and the basic stitches to help you out if it's not something you're already familiar with. The last set of ideas I have to share with you is embroidery related ideas. So you could embroider something simple. I'm currently embroidering this. I think that this looks perfect as like a wall hanging. You could just like as like decoration, or you could buy a plain t-shirt, or I don't know, again some jeans, denim jacket, and embroider the top. I think like a plain cotton top with an embroidered pattern on it would be so cute, or you could get a hoodie and embroider something. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video gave you some ideas, and if you have any other ideas, leave them in the comments. We can all make an exchange, help each other out. And yeah, I have a similar video coming in a couple of weeks where I'm going to show you some last minute DIY gift ideas. It will show you step by step how to do everything. And yeah, so if that's something that you would like to see, why not subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to be notified when that video goes live. And I will hopefully see you in my next video next week, which is another Christmas themed video. I just wanted to say goodbye and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video next Monday. Bye!